Hey, what is on guys? Claudio. In this video, I will teach you guys how to cop multiples of the same item on Supreme without getting the you already ordered this item thing, because this is how you do it. Also, before I get into the video, I would like to give a big thank you for helping me hit 5k subscribers, a big milestone for me, so that is super dope. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, I would really appreciate that. And I'm planning on doing a giveaway soon. I'll announce all the festivities and celebration tomorrow when I make that video, but today's video is going to be focused on the Supreme duplicate order, multiple orders, address jig, whatever you want to call it. So to get two of the same item, let's say two motion logos or two box logos, you need to make more than one profile. And a profile means that you need a different address, email, phone number, and card. So you can have like 100 profiles, or you can have like 10 profiles or 2 profiles. The different profiles cannot have any of this information that match. So no two profiles can have the same address, no two profiles can have the same card. You get what I mean, right? If you want to cop 100 items, you need 100 cards because they cannot match information. So right now I'm going to go through each thing you need to fill out and explain to you like how to jig it so that you can buy multiple. So I'm going to start with the address. For the address, it's super easy to jig it so that you can cop multiple items. The most common method people do is, let's say you live on a street. So let's say like 123 Apple Street. All you need to do is just go with the full street spell out, and then you can go with the ST, the abbreviation, and then go with the ST with a dot. Those are 3 different addresses to Supreme. They don't detect that as the same address, so just do that and it works just fine. Or if you want to do like a bunch of them, or you don't live on a street ending that can be abbreviated, what you can do is just put AB, and then you can do AB plus a number. Or any letter number combination, it works really well. I'll throw a bunch of examples on the screen right now, as you guys can see. All of these are considered different address to Supreme, so you can just go with any of them and yeah, it'll work out. I just go with like AB1, AB2, AB3, AB4, and if I run out, I could go like BC1, BC2, like you get what I mean, it's really easy. And that's it for how to jig address. Just type it into the same address line 1, you don't put it in address line 2, leave it inside the address line 1 and it'll be fine. Next up is the email address, and this is also super duper easy to do. And all you need to do is do the Gmail dot trick. Now this only works with Gmail, so I just want to let you guys know that before I start getting to the whole thing. So I'm going to use my example of my email, cloudemail@gmail.com. All you need to do is just add a period anywhere you want in the email and it will count as a different email. And a really nice thing about this method is that when Supreme sends out the confirmation email to the jig email, that email will go into your main email and you don't even need to make extra email accounts. So you can make like hundreds of combinations with just one email. Super useful. Obviously on screen you guys can see a bunch of examples, and you can see like it's just so easy to do the emails that it doesn't matter. You can have like 100 emails, just one email, and they all get linked up to the main email, so you don't have a problem at all. So just go ahead and do that if you need to get extra emails for Supreme. Next up is the phone number, and this can be a bit complicated because like you can't really get that many phone numbers. You can download any of the apps, you can use Google Voice, get a phone number there. Use any of your family members' phone numbers that don't buy Supreme. You can get a lot of phone numbers just by doing that. What most people recommend is just to use random phone numbers that you know are from people that don't buy Supreme. Just mix stuff up, and honestly, it shouldn't be a problem. I ordered like well over 50 orders and I never had an issue with that. I need to use a phone number for my items, so I don't think that that's an issue at all. It should be completely fine for you to use like random phone numbers as long as you know that that phone number is not being used by another person ordering Supreme. It should be fine. Finally, we get to the most complicated method to get extras up, and that is a card. So obviously the simple thing you can do is apply for a bunch of credit cards, apply for a bunch of debit cards, like just do all that, get as many as you can, and that's a really simple way. Supreme doesn't allow you to use most VCCs, like privacy for example, they don't allow you to use that on Supreme drops. I think you can cut restocks with it, but you can't get an actual Supreme drop with it. A very popular VCC that people use is Capital One, so you can just go with that one. If you guys like can get a Capital One credit card, do that, and you can get a bunch of VCC, so that's like a very popular option. But other than that, it's not that easy to get a bunch of cards. It just isn't, so you kind of gotta figure that out yourself pretty much. But that's it for everything you guys need to know to comp multiple items from Supreme. You just gotta switch your profile, it's really simple. And that's it for this video, so if this video helped you guys out, please drop me a like down below. I appreciate all likes you guys drop me. Leave in the comments down below if you guys have any questions about this thing, and I'll try to answer them if you guys have any. If you guys have more questions, join my Discord, anything, and I'll help you guys on there, or if someone else will help you guys out, it's cool. And that's it, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
Everybody's fake. Just give me a second, cause I need to get it straight. Everybody's talking, but I really can't relate. I don't even think that I can go another day. Fake smiles on a face. Wait for some